like a war zone in Bangladesh. People getting killed in front of my eyes.
Lots of massacres happen over there. बहुत से स्टूडेंट मारा गया.
It's pretty much controlled now. It's pretty much controlled, far much better.
Situation now in Bangladesh.
It's pretty much controlled now. It's pretty much controlled, far much better. From tomorrow, everything is going to be working completely. Factories, offices, banks, colleges, schools, everything's going to be okay.
आप पैनिक सिचुएशन में यहाँ पर आए हैं या इंडिया?
No. It was all okay. Though the airlines has also been opened up, and I came to see my family. Nothing else. This family was worried.
सर ऐसी खबरें भी आ रही हैं कि बांग्लादेश में खासतौर पर एक कम्युनिटी को टारगेट किया जा रहा है. कैसी सिचुएशन आप देखी है आपने?
For Indians, it is not like that. Everything is fine. It's completely fine.
अभी हालात सुधार में आ रहे हैं.
Yes. Everything is okay now. Or even on the roads, highways, everything is completely fine.
शेख हसीना ने इस्तीफा दे दिया है. उसके इस्तीफे को किस तरीके से देखते हैं?
Yes, people were really happy, but on the other hand, the smart people who have been politically connected, they say that they have made a mistake. Later on, they're going to realize it, maybe after 2 to 3 years. Let's see.
आके आप वापस बांग्लादेश जाएंगे कितने दिनों के लिए?
Yeah, just 2 to 3 days, just for a family meet, nothing else. I will be going back.
बांग्लादेश से.
कैसी सिचुएशन इस समय बांग्लादेश में बनी?
अब सब कुछ ठीक है.
क्या-क्या
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
क्या-क्या देखा लेकिन बीते दिनों?
देखा lots of massacres happen over there. बहुत से स्टूडेंट मारा गया 1000 के ऊपर. वो ये अनऑफिशियली काउंटिंग है और ऑफिशियली वो बता रहे हैं कि 200 प्लस, बट अनऑफिशियली दैट वाज 1000 प्लस.
शेख हसीना को लेकर क्या सोचते हैं आप लोग? शेख हसीना इंडिया में है.
मैं समझ नहीं. शेख हसीना हाँ.
क्या सोचते हैं बांग्लादेश में को लेकर?
वो तो कोई स्पीच नहीं दिया. जाने के वक्त वो कोई स्पीच नहीं दिया. हम लोगों को नहीं मालूम है वो क्या सोच रहा है. वो कोई स्पीच नहीं दिया.
खबरें ये भी आ रही हैं कि हिंदुओं को खासतौर पर वहाँ टारगेट किया जा रहा है.
टारगेट किया जा रहा है वो एक तरह प्रोपागंडा है. मैं फेसबुक पर दिखा. मैं वाकई में मैं विटनेस नहीं हूँ. इस तरह का कुछ नहीं दिखा मैंने. वही सच है.
आप यहाँ पर किस लिए आए थे?
हाँ, विजिटिंग पर्पस पे आए हैं और कोई पर्पस नहीं है. मैं विजिट हाँ, मैं रिटर्न टिकट ऑलरेडी बुक किया है.
Situation is not so good, not so bad. The interim government has taken the control of the country, and we do not know what comes next, but we hope for a better outcome.
बीते दिनों क्या-क्या आपने देखा वहाँ पर? कैसी सिचुएशन?
On 18th July, I saw it was like a war zone in Bangladesh near my office in Uttara, and after that there was a curfew, and there were army and people getting killed in front of my eyes. I even got a rubber bullet on my that hit me. I even got police that had beaten me for coming out.
Sir, news is coming that a particular community is being targeted.
As I do not know any of that. As I have friends in Borishal and my hometown is Sylhet. There are Manipuris, there are Hindus living in Sylhet, and I have not heard a single one saying that anyone has been targeted. And there's the media. I do not know where they get these newses, or that may be just a propaganda, or there may be something happening. I do not know. As I have friends and I have talked to them, and no one has stated that they are being attacked or something like that.
Sheikh Hasina has also resigned from the post of Prime Minister. How do you see it?
We hope for the best.
Sir, how do you see what the people are doing?
People are doing their best after a long time. I think the people have the right to vote, and they are cheering up, and we hope that we will build this country better.